All right, good job, buddy. He says, try it, Koa. Koa, you want to try?
Okay.
Try, Koa.
Hey, Trey, feed this one.
One that Daddy's holding.
Okay. I already fed that one.
Put it up. It's okay.
Koa, wait. Oh, she liked the noodle. She's going to eat it.
I'm gonna try. I don't want to.
No. See, lift it up higher. Higher. Higher, Koa. Yeah, see?
What about me?
Just wait, Trey. Yo, mister. You got a friend, huh? Where'd it go? There she is. Hi. Whoop. Are you nervous with them on that side?
What?
Cool, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, he likes the noodles.
Koa, check to see if this bird wants some over here. Over here, come here. This one looks like she could eat. Oh. Here, let me help you.
This
Yeah.
one wants some so bad.
Does she?
Yeah.
She's like, feed me some more.
He really likes the noodles.
Yeah.
Let me take a noodle.
What do you got? Good job. You got a grape.
I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna try this guy.
I think that one's eaten, buddy.